Good morning, friends. Myself, Yogesh Harde, presently working in Rajashi Shamarath Polytechnic, Nasik. So today we will see the unit number 4 impact of jet. In that, we have see the different cases of impact of jet and how to clear them. So let's start. So let's start the what is a jet propulsion. So in that jet propulsion, when water under pressure flowing in the pipe discharge through nozzle and it leaves in the form of jet with high velocity. Due to that, kinetic energy converted into pressure energy. So it consists of three cases. If the jet impinging on the strike of the surface plate or curve plate, the energy of fluid get converted, produce force on the plate by Newton's second law of motions. If the plate of vane is mounted on rotor, it produces work. So second case is when the jet leaves from the nozzle, it receives some reactive force. So according to Newton's third law of motions, every action has equal and opposite reactions. This reactive force push backwards. So this backward direction is known as jet propulsion. The concept of jet propulsion is known as used in boats, ships, lodges and sprinklers. So third is alternatively work supplied by rotor can be raised the pressure using the fluid in case of pump and compressors. So firstly write down the definition of jet propulsion. Write down the jet propulsion definitions. So next, definition of impact of jet. So what is the impact of jet? The force exerted by jet on the plate or vane, which may be stationary or moving, is called as impact of jet. Again I repeat, the force exerted by jet on a plate or vane, which may be stationary or moving, is called as impact of jet. So this force is exerted by according to Newton's second law of motions. The concept of impact of jet is used to determine the forces along work done in case of bent pipes. So firstly, F is equal to rho q V2 minus V1 in newtons. It is represented by force. Using third Newton's law of motion, force exerted by fluid equal to implies that F is equal to rho q V2 minus V1. So this is a required answer. Okay. So write down definition of impact of jet. झाले का? नेक्स्ट आपल्याला बघायला So next, so in that there are the 6 cases. 3 cases for when plate is moving, 3 cases for when plate is fixed. So out of that we study the three cases when plate are fixed. So force due to impact on jet on the plate, fixed plate. So it is depend on q, mass flow rate, then q is equal to area into velocity, mass flow rate rho a v. When jet strike on fix either in direction, it is assumed that plate is perfectly smooth. So draw the, there is no loss of energy during impact of jet, velocity of jet is uniform throughout. So in that, the first case is, there are the three cases for fixed plate. First is when plate is flat along the jet, when plate is having angle, and third is a plate is a circular. So when plate is case first, when plate is perpendicular to the jet of the direction of jet. So forward, inboard, ask two times, draw the neat sketch of impact of jet on fixed vertical flat plate, write down formula, determine the force. Okay, so firstly draw the figure, one nozzle, jet, vertical plates, water direction. So draw the figure. So let's see the, consider a jet with having nozzle diameter d. So whenever jet flowing impact on that flat vertical plate, so jet of water striking on flat plate normal to the jet. So consider a fluid jet striking on flat jet. Let A is the cross sectional area, V is the velocity of jet, rho is the density of jet. So since plate is fixed, so velocity is 0. We already know that. So let's show the, when jet striking on the plate, its momentum is completely destroyed by the application of force. Whenever force impact, it becomes 0. So force acting in the direction of jet determined by impulse momentum reaction. So force is equal to mass into velocity, that is the impulse momentum reaction. So F is equal to m into v1 minus v2, where m rho q, rho a v, v1 is v, v2 is 0. So with that implies that formula, rho a v, v minus 0, that is rho a v square. This is a required force, impact of force when plate is flat and along the direction of jet. So write down the derivations. So let's see the example on that. So first example is winter 14 4 marks. A horizontal jet of water deliver under the effective head of 25 meters. Calculate the diameter of jet if force is 2.2 kilonewton. Take CV 0.99. So in that, first is a force is given 2.22. So 2.22 into 10 raised to 3, there is a force. H is a head, CV is a 0.99. So V is equal to CV under root twice GH. So with the help of that, take a V, 2 into 9.8125. Then 21.92 is a velocity. Then force is equal to rho AV square. With the help of that, calculate A. Whenever A is come, with the help of A is equal to pi by 4 d square, and with the help of that, A is equal to pi by 4 d square. With the help of that formula, we can conclude that diameter 7.67. समजलं का सगळ्यांना? सो लिहून घ्या प्रॉब्लेम. झालं की मला सांगा. So next example, summer 13, 8 marks. Water is flowing through pipe at the end of nozzle is fitted. The diameter of nozzle is 100 mm and the head of water at the center of nozzle is 100 mm. Find the force exerted by jet on a fixed vertical flat plate. So coefficient of velocity is 0.95. So with the help of that, take diameter 100 mm. So diameter is 0.1 meter. Head is a 100 meter. Then coefficient of velocity 0.95. So with the help of that, V is equal to CV under root twice GH. So it is a 0.95 into 2 into 9.81 into 100. So it is a 40.08. It is the velocity of 10. So with the help of that, rho a v square, firstly found mass flow rate, and last m dot is equal to v minus v0. So this is a rho a v square. So with the help of that, rho a and v put it in the equation, and the answer is 13907 Newton is a final. So write down. झाले का लिहून? झालं असेल तर मला सांगा. नेक्स्ट. So next is a summer 12 4 marks. A jet of water 50 mm diameter is discharged under the constant head 70 meter. Find the force exerted by jet on a fixed plate. Take CV 0.9. So in that, first is D is given 0.50 mm. So convert it into meter. Then h is a 70 meter. Then coefficient of velocity cv 0.9. Take v is equal to cv under root twice gh is equal to 0.9 into 2 into 9.81 into 70, that is a 33.35. So next, force exerted by jet, so rho a v square. So by this process m dot is obtained 65.483, and mass is equal to v minus u is 0, so rho a v square, that is a 2183 Newton. So this is your required answer. So write down. So next is last, a jet of water 50 mm diameter with velocity 20 meter per second. Find the force normal to the jet. फर्स्ट केस बघा, एरिया पाय बाय 4 डी स्क्वेअर, त्याच्यावर एरिया काढला, मास फ्लो रेट रो ए व्ही, त्याच्यानंतर रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ मोमेंटम, सो 20 10.6 न्यूटन. सो अशा पद्धतीने तुमचा फोर्स कॅल्क्युलेट करता येतो. सो इन दिस वे वी आर कम्प्लिटेड द फर्स्ट केस. काय केसचं नाव माहिती आहे तुम्हाला? वेन force fixed plate is perpendicular to the jets. Okay, so thank you.